Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we start by testing an old fluorescent lamp transformer, and then we continue by analyzing two standard power transformers using resistance measurements. In the fluorescent lamp transformer, the primary winding operates at high voltage and low current. This means thinner wire, longer length, and therefore higher resistance. The secondary winding works at lower voltage and higher current, so it uses thicker wire with shorter length, which results in much lower resistance. There is no ohmic connection between the primary and secondary windings. Only the two primary pins have resistance between them, and the same applies to the secondary pins. In this fluorescent transformer, one pair of terminals measures about 70 ohms, while the other pair is almost 0 ohms. So the 70 ohm winding is clearly the primary, and the near zero resistance winding is the secondary. Now moving to the first standard power transformer. It has a 220-volt input and a 24-volt center-tapped output. The output current is around 1 ampere. The two outer terminals give 24 volts and the center tap provides 12 volts. The primary winding resistance is about 2.5 kiloohms, which is relatively high compared to the secondary. The secondary winding resistance for the 24-volt output is around 30 ohms. The second standard transformer also has a 24-volt center-tapped output, but this one is designed for higher current, around 3 amperes. Here, the primary resistance drops to about 300 ohms, while the secondary resistance is much lower, around 3 ohms. The biggest advantage of resistance testing is safety. You can identify transformer windings without applying mains voltage. It's also quick and requires only a multimeter. The drawback is that resistance values alone cannot determine the exact voltage or power rating. For accurate results, voltage testing is still necessary. The resistance of a copper winding follows this formula. From the center tap to one side of the secondary, the resistance is approximately 2 ohms. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.